Asauddin Owaisi ji.
Sir, I need your protection, sir, in this answer that has been given. The government has...
संरक्षण है ना, आपको बुला दिया, नंबर ले आया आपका
सर,
साथ।
और चाहिए सर, और चाहिए सर। मंत्री को मत दीजिए, मुझे दीजिए। Sir,
आपको ही संरक्षण है।
thank you, sir. Sir, in the answer that has been given, the government is accepting that 355 projects have shown cost overrun. The minister and the government is not saying that year-wise data. You are in power from last nearly 6 years now, and this clearly is accepting that this cost overrun overall is to 3.88 lakh crore. It's 20.07%. Sir, doesn't this, I want to ask the Honorable Minister through you, that doesn't this debunk your so-called slogan and your commitment that minimum government, maximum governance? It has fallen flat. That is why you see that there's a huge cost overrun, and which is around about 3.88 lakh crore. Will you be kind enough to please tell us, year-wise, how many projects have been stalled?
कि हमने पिछले दिनों के अंदर प्रोएक्टिवली काम किया है, ये सरकार प्रोएक्टिवली काम करने लग रही है, और कई वजहें हैं जिसकी वजह से प्रोजेक्ट्स डिले हो जाते हैं, जिसके अंदर फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंसेस, एनवायरनमेंट क्लियरेंसेस, विदेशी पैसे की मुद्रा का भाव बढ़ना, ये सारी अनेक चीजें फैक्टरिंग की जाने के बावजूद आज के दिन पहली सरकार के निस्बत इस सरकार ने अव्वल और बेहतरीन काम किया है।
Sir, my second supplementary is, will the Honorable Minister inform the House how does his government intend to augment for its finances on account of increased expenditure on the projects mentioned in his reply? And if the delay in project is because of price inflation, environment clearance, isn't it the failure of your governance?
The time overruns, I have mentioned the reasons for thereof. To monitor these projects, the government has taken an initiative through a project called Pragati, which the Prime Minister himself monitors.